Please do consider to subscribe to this channel. My name is Sarah. We film about motherhood, vlog and lifestyle. Yes guys, so today we are going to supermarket, and this is the part of my area, my city, and it's very far from my house. Okay, and this is the supermarket that I am going. So beautiful, guys. We just got home for where we went to take a walk with my son. I branched supermarket from there, and you guys know that I'm carrying stroller. I can't buy a lot of things, which I really need to buy a lot of things, but I cannot buy until when Obi is at home. We go together, or Obi, I will leave my baby for Obi, then I will just go alone with Carello, you know. So yeah, so guys, first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys, I got my brush. You guys, I got this brush. So my reason of doing this video, if you know that your brush have taken a long time, just like my brush, oh my goodness, raise your hands up on the comment section. You guys, I've been using my brush for God knows how long. Like I can't even say when. That brush, those brushes that I've been using, I think it's up to 2 years plus now, 3 years if I'm not lying, I'm not mistaken. And I got them one by one after the other. I didn't get them like this. I just get them one after the other, just to complete the set, you know. So today I said, oh my goodness, let me change this brush. This is not even the complete set, but I'm not a makeup artist now. At least I can manage this one. I still have some, you know. So but I'm going to select some. I throw them away, then just had the new ones that I got one from the supermarket to this one, you know. So I got this brush, guys, 24 euro. This one is a marker, is a professional marker. The one that I wanted to got was 30 euro, so I now got this one in Tingota, 24 euro. I got another type of face mask. This is not the one that I got before, as you guys see in the video. This one, I got that one. So when I get to the casa to pay, the lady was telling me to get this one. Is a new type of mask that just came out that is very, very good, that I should try it. So I'm going to try this new one that just came out. I'm going to try it and see if it's really good like the one that I used before. And I got my favorite body spray. I think I got four body spray. These are body spray I keep in my bag. If you are a mother, you need it in your bag, your mama's bag, anywhere you want to go, you keep it in your bag. If you see that there's heat in your body, just bring it out. Or you want to enter some kind of office and you want to smell good, bring it out and you know. So I got it for. I got my styling brush as well. I got my styling brush, yes. I got this to spray in my house. So I got one shampoo. I think we still have 3 or 4 of this one. So I just got this for hobby. Me, I normally use tablet soap, you know. So I got this to wash ground, and I got this spray for glass. Yes guys, it's finished. That is all that I got. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do consider to subscribe to this channel, so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Bye guys, let me go and feed my baby.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain.